Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily activate notifications in Messenger app on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video and also put your likes. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, open the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. Next, in the top left corner, tap on the three bars and now tap on the gear to go to settings. Here, scroll through a little bit and go to Notifications and Sounds. And here you need to make sure that you have the most recent feature active. And inactive the very first one. The very first one is Don't Turn on Notifications, which is Do Not Disturb. It should be inactive. If it is enabled, then you will need to turn it off then. After that, go to the phone settings on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see Messenger. Go to Messenger. Next is Notifications. And you need to make sure you have them turned on. If you have them turned on, then you'll see a page like this. Because when they're off, as you can see, there's no page here. And therefore, there's nothing on Facebook Messenger either. So, at the very beginning, you need to activate notifications. And after that, you'll receive notifications from Facebook Messenger, which you can control where they go to you. On your desktop screen, like banners and so on. This is the very simple way, friends, you can easily activate Facebook Messenger notifications on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give your likes, comments, and see you soon.